Assalam and hi to my fellow friend and my respected lecturer, Miss Maizan. Today, I'm gonna to explain about the fieldwork 1 leveling. And before we start the discussion, allow me to introduce myself and my group member. My name is Muhammad Azmil bin Musa, metric number 01DKA21F1091. My group member, Muhammad Azri bin Muhammad Azmi, metric number 01DKA21F1083. Next, Shobal Rao anak lelaki Biswa Rao, metric number 01DKA21F1092. Lastly, Amsyarul Asfar bin Nur Shaini, metric number 01DKA21F1075. Introduction. Leveling is a method to measure the elevation difference between two or more points. In this practical, focus is shifted to one of leveling techniques, namely fly level observation, or also known as the rise and fall method. The observation will be initiated from a known radius level, value of a benchmark, and end at another known RL value of BM. In between the BM, a number of chain points will be set up to observe the foresight reading and the backside reading of each section staff, and the values are booked. Upon completion of the observation, the RL values will be calculated and booked. After the RL values are known, 3 arithmetical checks will be calculated to ensure the precision of the works. Consequently, the adjustment value can be computed, where this value will be distributed accordingly to each section. Finally, the adjusted RL values are booked and the misclosure will be calculated to be compared with the adjusted values to determine whether the leveling works is accepted and unsatisfactory.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Azmi and my message number is 01DKA21F1083. Today, I will explain about equipment in use in leveling survey. Okay, the first equipment is surveyor level. Okay, surveyor level used to measure the height of distant place in respect to a reference point, and the benefit is clear and simple measurement, excellent durability, and consistent performance. Okay. The second equipment is tripod. Okay, surveyor tripod is a device that supports theodolities, total station, levels, and transits, among other surveying. Okay, next equipment is optical plumb net, a device that used to center the instrument over ground station. Okay, this component used in place of a plumb bob to center transit and theodolite over a given point. Okay, the fourth equipment is a level staff. A level staff were used to determine the difference in height between points or heights of point above a vertical datum. Okay, the next equipment we have a staff bubble. Okay, staff bubble used to keep the arrangement upright, and air bubble are appropriate. Okay, staff bubble usually mounted on the start of the staff. Next, we have a measuring tape. Okay, measuring tape used to measure the distance between the level and the staff in measure with a measuring tape. Okay, measuring tape to avoid a difference in the device column. The distance between the back view and front view is more or less the same. Okay, and the last equipment we have file book. Okay, file book to record data and create customizable level computation. Okay, an external worksheet is used. Okay, the fluxion or height calibration line method can be used for bookkeeping and counting. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, I will pass to Shoban to next present.
Hi Miss, I'm Shoban Rao, son of Viswa Rao, matrix number 01DKA21F1092, and I'm here to explain how to get reduced level using HOC method. Okay, the meaning of HOC is height of collimation. Okay, here you can see that I already sorted back shot, intermediate shot, and force shot from the picture and I just insert it in the table. And I also get reduced level, which is 50 for the datum mark, and over there to get the height of collimation I add the back shot in reduced level, which I got 52.544. And after that, the 3 row, there's only intermediate shot where I just need to deduct to get reduced level, and that's what I did. And I got 50.768, 51.627, 50.571 and 48.965. At the 48.965 point, there's back shot, so I add on and get HOC value, which is 50.27, and following that there's another intermediate shot and I get 48.848 over there. And the next one I also had back shot, so I add on and I got 52.949, and which is just followed all of that, and I get 54.722 in reduced level. To make sure that all of my calculations are correct, what I did was I took the total of back shot and the total of force shot, I minus both of them and I get 4.722. And same goes to the reduced level. I from the J mark, which is 54.722, I deducted with the first one, which is datum, 50.00, and I got the difference between that is 4.722. So both of the difference are same, which is 4.722. So through that I can prove through that it is shown that the calculation is correct. Thank you. Next, I would like to call upon Amsharul Asfar to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Amsharul Asfar bin Ushaini and my matric number is 01DKA21F.075. Now I will explain about fault and gas method. Okay, first step, we have to 2.554 minus by 1.786, we will get 0.768. If the value is positive, we take it at rise, but if the value is negative, we put it at the fall. After that, 1.786 minus by 0.927, we will get positive 0.859. After that, 0.927 minus by 1.983, we will get minus negative 1.056, because if negative, we put it at the fall. After that, 1.983 minus by 3.589, we will get negative 1.606, and after that we will minus 1.305 with 1.422, we will get negative 0.117. After that, the intermediate set, 1.422 minus by 0.571, we will get 0.851, and after that 3.250 minus by 1.925, we will get positive 1.325, and 1.925 minus by 1 minus point with 0.462, we will get positive 1.463, and lastly 3.015 minus by 0.780, we will get positive 2.235. Now, if we want to find the reducible, the value of datum, we plus by rise and minus by fall, and the last value we get is 44.722. Now for arithmetic check, total backside minus by total foresight, we will get 4.722, and my total rise minus by total false, we will get 4.22 also. And for the last, for arithmetic check, reduce level last 44.722 minus by first reduce level, that is 50.00, we will get 4.722. For the value is same, so the value that we get is correct.
Effectiveness of team. I'm Shurul Asfar, provide data of rise and fall method. Muhammad Azri explain about equipment and also equipment function. And myself, Muhammad Azmi, describe the introduction. And lastly, Shobin Rao provide data about H of collimation method. That's all from us. Thank you.